Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
One day, Imam Hassan was going to the masjid. On the way there, he saw a black-faced servant. He was sitting at the corner of the street and had a piece of bread in his hand, from which he ate one bite and gave the other bite to the dog sitting near him. Imam Hassan saw the situation, then went near that servant and said, "O servant, why are you doing this?" The servant said, "My master, this dog is also hungry, and I feel ashamed to eat in front of the hungry animal. I can't bear to eat the food God has given me while this animal is hungry." When Imam Hassan listened to the servant, he was surprised by the respect and manners of the servant. He asked the servant, "O servant, who is your master?" "The ironsmith whose shop is in this street. He is my master." Imam Hassan went to the shop of the ironsmith and wanted to buy the servant from him. The ironsmith said, "If you like this servant, you can take him. I grant him to the son of Zahra." Imam Hassan gave the payment of the servant to the ironsmith and bought that servant and said to the servant, "For the happiness of God, I grant you your freedom." "My master, I am free? Why did you grant me my freedom?" Imam Hassan said, "My son, you feel ashamed when you see a hungry dog. Then I feel ashamed to walk free while you are a slave." "My master, your character resembles the character of the Prophet of Islam. Are you one of his children?" Imam Hassan said, "Yes, I am the son of the daughter of the Prophet." "Yes, a kind and merciful Imam, the grandson of the kind and merciful Prophet." When Imam Hassan listened to the servant, he made a garden for him, so that he could work in this garden, earn money, and spend his life respectfully.